So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my simple makeup routine. So first I'm going to start off with moisturizing my lips. In the winter months that is definitely important. Moving on to my brows, I like to use the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel in Clear. When I tell you guys this is my holy grail, I kid you not, it is. I've used many other brow lift products and this is by far my favorite. And I also like to mention that I start with my brows first, just being that there aren't many excess oils on my face and it helps them stay a lot longer. I'm going to take my Morphe Brow Pomade in the color Mocha, and I'm going to go in and lightly fill in my eyebrows. I don't like to do too much. I prefer a more natural look. You'll see as I'm doing my brows, I like to brush them out just so it's not as thick and doesn't have as many harsh lines. After I'm done filling in my brows, I like to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color 47H. I just like to go in underneath my brows just to sharpen it up a little bit. And I also like to mention that I do not like putting concealer or foundation on my forehead. I know that sounds quite weird, but for me, I feel like it gives me that ashy look. So if I do mess up on the top of my brows, I will always just go in with a Q-tip just to clean it up a little bit. So moving on to the face, I'm going to take my NYX Hydro Touch Primer. Personally, I really like this one. I've used many other primers before, but this is one that really helps moisturize my face for one. For two, it helps my makeup stay on all day. And for three, it allows for a smoother application when I'm applying my foundation. Moving on to my foundation, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. And I really like this one just being that it is lightweight while also gives you that coverage that you need. I know this foundation is going to look a little dark on me, but just please bear with me. I promise you it's going to work out towards the end. You will see. Once that is all blended, I'm now taking another one of my Tarte Shape Tape concealers, and I'm going to go in underneath my eyes just to highlight it a little bit.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
Then I'm going to take my NYX HD concealer and I'm going to contour my nose a little bit and then also where my cheekbones are. I don't like for super harsh contour. I feel like it makes me look slightly crazy. So this is really all that I do. And when I'm doing my cheeks, I typically like to do a 3 just so I can contour underneath my cheekbones and near my jawline.
Caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting closer. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by.
Once that is all blended, I'm going to go in with my lightest shade of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to line the bridge of my nose and also get the inner corner of my eyes just to give myself that highlighted look. Alright, to set this makeup in place, I like to use my True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I know that most individuals like to bake. I personally like to just press the powder in. It just gives me a better finish and it doesn't look too cakey. Okay, so you'll see this is one of my favorite parts of my routine. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Blush, and I will be applying my blush practically everywhere, my cheeks, my nose, by my eyebrows, and a little bit underneath my chin. I don't know why I do, but I just feel like I love the look personally. Moving on to my highlighter, I'll be using my True Complexion 3D highlighter palette in the color Vacation. I know my palette is a little beat up. Please don't judge me. I've had it for a little while. I'm just going to go in on my cheekbones, underneath my brows, a little bit on my nose, and then also some above my lip. To set this all in place, I like to use my Milani Dewy Setting Spray. Yes, I will drench my face. I absolutely do not care. I will be going in with a fan just so it can dry it up a bit. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is by Maybelline, their waterproof edition. Also, during this video, you will see that I did not include me doing my eyeliner. It is very hard for me to record me doing my eyeliner for some reason. It just never works out the way that I want. And if I do, I always mess up in some way, shape, or form. I know my liner looks a little thick, but I have a technique to where when I'm applying my lashes, I like to put a little lash glue on the actual eyeliner itself and push my lashes up just to make my eyes a little bit bigger and to give myself that cat eye look. All in all, this is the final look. I want to thank everyone for watching my video. It is greatly appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting each and every Sunday.